Welcome to this work-in-progress showcase of my procedural city and road system. Everything you're about to see was built in Houdini and then brought into Unreal Engine as an HDA. Let's start in Unreal Engine. By moving this handle, you can shift the position of the city center. This determines where the tallest buildings will appear. In the City Center tab, you can adjust both the height and the scale of that city center using two simple parameters. These values let you control how large the main skyline feels. In that same tab, there's also a shape ramp. This ramp gives you full control over the height silhouette of the entire city center. You can make it smooth, stepped, sharp, whatever fits your vision. Below that, we have two of the most important parameters. The first is the height range. This defines the random height values used for the regular buildings. For example, a range of 3 to 10 means the buildings will be generated between 3 and 10 meters tall. Next to that is the seed. Changing the seed will instantly give you a completely different variation of the city layout. Here in the Materials tab, you can drag and drop your materials, or you can simply paste the object paths directly onto the slots you want textured. I also added basic instancing support for rooftop elements and side-mounted assets so you can easily customize the look of your buildings. Now let's jump into Houdini. The input for the whole system is nothing more than curve geometry. You draw the curve in the shape you want your road to follow. From those curves, the tool divides the surrounding space into building templates, flat pieces of geometry that serve as the foundation for generating buildings. Each of these templates becomes a procedural building with randomized variation. I also built a procedural road system. It includes parameters for ground markings, road width, and intersection size. Under certain situations, the road may break, but that's why these parameters exist. You can adjust them, or simply redraw the curve in a way that works better. The scale of the building templates is linked to road width. This ensures everything fits nicely and the proportions remain consistent. Performance is also something I'm actively working on. Originally, the system had a cook time of around 3.8 seconds. After some optimization, that is now down to roughly 1 second, which makes the tool relatively responsive for iteration. That wraps up this WIP overview of my procedural city and road system. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more updates as the tool evolves.